Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. So today we are from Group 1. We will present the final script of our drama. So the script is not just the typical campus romance, but rather a psychological thriller that highlights the dark themes of toxic relationships, psychological manipulation, and the fatal consequences of coercive control. Our story centers around two main characters, Joe Smith and Lucy. The main premise explores a critical question: was it truly love, or was it simply an obsession to control from the very beginning?
Okay, so let's break down the plot. The story starts off very sweet. Joe Smith approaches Lucy by helping her with her academic assignment. However, this is actually a psychological trap. Joe Smith's constant help makes Lucy feel like she owes him. Slowly, this feeling of indebtedness turns into immense pressure, and Joe Smith begins to control Lucy's life, isolating her from her best friends, Carmen and Mary, and forbidding her from interacting with other male students. The ensuing incident erupts when the head of the study program, Sarah, assigned Lucy and her classmate, Steve, to work together on a national scientific paper. This mandatory assignment triggers Joe Smith's extreme possessiveness, leading to mental terrors, threats of leaking private photos, and sadly culminating Lucy's tragic decision to end her own life.
Okay, then to build an engaging tension, we divided this script into four structured acts. In Act 1, the setup, we use a montage technique to show how Joe Smith built his image as Lucy's academic savior. The goal is to make the audience understand exactly why Lucy feels so in depth to him. And then in Act 2, about the conflict, we start introducing the conflict where Joe Smith's true colors are finally revealed. A crucial moment happens in Scene 4, the rebellion. Instead of supporting Lucy for being chosen to represent the study program, Joe Smith is furious because she is paired with Steve. In this act, our script utilized a drastic shift in Joe Smith's dialogue tone to showcase his transition from a caring boyfriend to an aggressive manipulator.
Moving into Act 3, or the climax, the tension reached its absolute peak. We designed a powerful intervention scene in Professor Sarah's office, where Joe Smith's abusive phone calls is put on loudspeaker. However, the breaking point occurs in Scene 5, when Joe Smith uses a hidden spy camera inside a teddy bear as a weapon to blackmail and to terrorize Lucy. In Act 4, or the resolution, we present a tragic ending. We use the smash cut directing code to shift the scene directly from Lucy's despair in her room to the moment Steve finds her lifeless body. We purposely directed Steve to not say a single word at the cemetery to create a heartbreaking effect of silence, representing his ultimate guilt.
And then in terms of directing script writing, we paid close attention to visual cues. For example, the first one is using extreme close-ups on the phone screen to emphasize the terror of the notification, and then fade to black for dark and heavy scene transition.
And the most impactful part of our script is the epilogue. After Carmen and Mary slap Joe Smith for causing Lucy's death, Joe Smith shows absolutely no remorse. The script closes with Joe Smith finding a new lonely female target and saying, "Hey there, you look lonely," right before the screen cuts to black. This highlights the core message of our play. Manipulative predators often do not realize the damage they cause and will simply continue to look for new victims. Through this script, we want to raise awareness about the early signs of a toxic relationship before it's too late. That concludes the script breakdown presentation from Group 1. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dadah.
Bye-bye.